Dorchester Ave to the left. We're on A. We're going to do entire A Street. A Street, South Boston, into Seaport. Through this green light, heading towards Broadway. We got the pedestrian up Broadway. We'll take it. We're on A, heading all the way in. We got some new work done here. Let's check it out. Surface redone. Good markings. Easy to see. Nice generous lane here to make it protected. I probably had stuff before that got torn down. And a nice little park to the right as well. There's also a two-way bike lane that goes that way. More wind here than you might realize. Comes back on the right. It's beat up. Through 4 Point, back right into traffic. Underneath Summer. We're hitting Congress. To the left's the Children's Museum, excuse me. I'm going to duck out carefully, taking an immediate left. Thompson Place. Seaport Boulevard. It goes over to the right. Can't see it anymore with that new building. Southie over to Seaport.